Alright, so here you go. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. I got my cleaning supplies and chargers down there, Xbox, where I put my drinks, my O pen, monitor, mouse, keyboard, Wi-Fi box, everything. It's even got this little holder for your headphones, which is a nice little plus, but I like it. Wife approved. That's all I can ask for. She gave it a thumbs up, so I'm giving it 5 thumbs up.
It's not big or incredible, but it's good enough if you have a very small room. Thank God for child labor, because this honestly is made in China. So let's be honest, guys. Like, you know, a bunch of 12-year-olds worked in this, but it's really good. The instructions are pretty easy, and yeah, it's really easy to assemble.